What's up, everybody? Garrett Chimiani here with Skyline Homes of Nampa. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Millcreek 4406-6. Again, Millcreeks, this is your bang for your buck series, but this is going to be our 4-bed, 2-bath, 1,600 square foot version of the Millcreeks. There's 3 4-bedroom plans at 1,500, 1,600, and 1,800. So feel free to come and see this one out here. You'll be able to tell all 3 plans by just going into this one. All they do is they add a little bit of extra room in each one. So without further ado, let's go check it out. We've got a living room, kitchen, dining room, family room layout. A lot of people, when they walk into this home, as soon as they get to the middle of the house and they see how expansive the living space is in here, all of a sudden they light up and they understand what's so great about these Millcreek 4406-6s. So living room, you've got a 16-foot wide living room, comes standard with 2 windows. We added in the 4 can lights. I talked to you about those other size floor plans. For example, the 1,800 square foot plan is exactly like this one, except 6 feet more in the living room, 2 feet more in the master bedroom. And as you come over here and you see the family room over on this half of the house, that other 8 feet is over in that family room as well. So it doesn't matter which square footage you choose, you've got a lot of options in the Millcreeks in order to, again, get the most bang for your buck while still getting yourself a forever house out on your property. So again, you got living room, kitchen, dining room, family room. As a reminder, what makes the Millcreeks is you can't quite customize them structurally. You can't stretch the house, you can't lift the ceilings, you can't do a lot of the structural changes, but it doesn't mean we can't still customize your home. So if you want to slide the windows over, put a sliding glass door in, do a wraparound peninsula, extend the length of the island, maybe take the 3-door pantry that you have standard and replicate it over here on this side and kind of frame in the kitchen. All of those things are still possible in the Millcreek, so don't think that because we can't structurally modify them that we can't still customize this home the way you want it. So again, you get a really nice view of how open and spacious this floor plan is, with a couple different living spaces. Through the kitchen here, we have the pantry / utility room. This comes with wire shelves. This comes with an ability to wrap shelving around the walls here. You can do 3 rows of it. You tell us what we need to do, and we can create this space, maximize the space, even if it means doing an extra GFI down there so that you can put a chest freezer or an extra refrigerator. There is enough room in there to do something like that. So let's go check out the master bath and the master bedroom from here. So you can see plenty of space in here. Again, the 1,800 square foot version of this gets another 2 feet in here, but as it sits right now, this is a great size room. We can do transom windows up there. We can do bigger window, double the window. You can relocate the window over to that side if you'd rather your bed over here. I've even seen a lot of people recently doing skinnier and taller windows to frame in the bed. It's a great option, really sets the space so that when the home shows up, all you got to do is bring your furniture in, you've already game planned it. So into the master bath, the layout is such with a single bowl sink. We added in the walk-in shower, and then your large master closet is in through the bathroom. So again, leave the window, take the window out, make the window larger, do just a transom, add more shelves, more rows of shelves. If you let us know what you need, happy to make those adjustments on these Millcreeks for you. So tub shower combo is standard, or this 60-inch fiberglass walk-in shower, or one of our Cortec tile showers or tile showers can all be put into this. We cannot do the freestanding glamour bath option in the Millcreeks. That is for the Hillcrests only. You can do that in any Hillcrest plan, but just not in the Millcreek. So if you want to keep the tub in here, fine, or we can make all the modifications to the showers. So then if we head to the other side of the house, through the family room, that's where the other 3 bedrooms and 2 bathroom plans are. The largest room of the house for guest bedrooms is this one right off the family room. You get to use the entire width of this 13 for half of the house. And then you obviously have the 2 other bedrooms. I believe they're 10 by 10 and 10 by 10 on the other side. And then you have the guest bath in the middle. So that's our Millcreek 4406. Thanks for joining us today. Again, we have the 3 different sizes, 15, 16, and 1,800 square feet. We're open 7 days a week. Come by anytime. We'd love to show you our houses.